Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing this Indco laboratory dissolver. It has a 7-inch diameter. What is their 7A type blade on there, similar to your callus dissolver blades you're probably familiar with. Has of course adjustable mount here to hold your container with a chain retainer. It goes up and down, has about 15 inches of daylight underneath here, well exactly 15 inches, and of course goes up and down. And of course it's air driven, so you see it has a tachometer. We're showing it running about 2,500 RPM right now. All pneumatically operated, so if you're doing anything volatile, it's perfect for that as well. Blade is easily changeable through a bolt on the bottom, any size you need. So, thanks for joining us for this video today. We look forward to hearing from you. Visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.